What's good, YouTube? It's Corey from the South Side, back at you again with another video. I grabbed a subframe from the junkyard so I can prep it, so I can just bolt it directly into my car. No wait, no downtime, boom, done. What I'm gonna do today is replace the main bushings. A lot of my YouTube colleagues have been using a torch and a hammer, so I'm gonna try this method and I'll probably burn the house down. So you guys sit back and relax. Ish. Call the fire department. Kind of. Haha. Why is it not working? It's harder than it looks. More heat. Well, not quite. I got three out of the four bushings out. I feel like I'm a master. So let me show y'all what I learned. Once it catches on fire like that, just kind of let it burn. Let that fire eat a little bit. It's hungry. And you can come back in with the mallet and knock it out. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how you remove a subframe bushing from an E46 subframe. Now we get to clean you up, make you all nice and pretty, and install you. Alright, so if y'all like that video, click that like button, obviously. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content, and I'll be back at you again, I don't know, maybe next week or something. Holla. I just pressure washed this. I gotta do it again.